Hi there and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Raluca. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm actually going to show you my hair care routine. And I also included a heatless curls technique that I learned on TikTok. I want to start by disclaiming that I'm not a hair care professional. This is just what I do to take care of my hair. This is what works for me. I have pretty long hair. It's not really crazy long, but it's pretty long. I got layers recently. I do trims like once in a while. Last time I trimmed my hair, it was about 4 months ago, I think. Anyways, if you want to see how I take care of my hair, my washing process and what I do to take care of my hair, then just keep on watching. I wash my hair about 2 times a week. If I remember, and this time I remembered, I brush my hair before going into the shower. I start from my ends and move my way upwards so I don't put a lot of pressure on my hair. And then I hop into the shower. I use lukewarm water. I make sure that it's not too hot. The shampoo that I use currently is the Olaplex number 4. I really love it. You don't need a lot. This is the amount that I use. I just rub it in my hands first and then wash my hair with it. I only wash my scalp. I don't really wash the ends of my hair. Then I rinse off the first wash and I actually wash one more time. But this time I let the shampoo sit in for about a minute or two and then I start scrubbing my scalp again to make sure that I get rid of all the oils. And then I rinse it off again. I squeeze the excess water off my hair and apply a hair mask. I prefer a hair mask over conditioner because it's a little bit more moisturizing. And then I make sure to sit with the mask in my hair for at least 5 minutes and then I rinse it off. I use a cotton shirt to dry my hair. It is better to use a cotton shirt than use an actual towel. After my hair had a little bit of time to sit and dry, just a tiny bit, I use a little bit of oil on it. I apply the oil on my mids and ends. I don't apply it on my scalp. There he was sitting there the entire time. I let my hair fully air dry and I do not brush my hair while it's still wet. I only brush it once it's dry. And now I'm going to show you how I style it. I use some knee socks. You can use a bathrobe cord if you have one. I place the sock on the middle of my head and then I split my hair in the middle. I tie one section. I'm just going to leave it like this for now. And I start by taking strands of hair and wrapping them basically around the sock. And then I take more hair and wrap the entire section again, like I'm showing you in this video. Once I reach the end of my scalp, you should be left with 2 even pieces, and then you just want to cross them over the sock. So basically forming like an X shape. Make sure not to braid with the sock, instead you want to cross them over and basically the sock is left in the middle. The strands of hair are crossing each other around the sock. You just wanted to do that with the entire hair and then just tie the ends so it stays into place. I'm doing the same thing with the other half of my head. I'm just showing you the process again, so taking strands of hair and crossing them over the sock and then taking some more and crossing again. And when it reaches the end of my scalp, I cross the 2 strands of hair over each other. And now I just let that sit overnight. Okay, it's actually the next day and I want to show you the results. I did keep this thing in my head for like 14 hours maybe, so I didn't just wake up. It's been a while. Anyways, I'm going to remove the hair tie and just remove this sock from my hair. I'm going to remove the other one so you can see how the entire head looks. Okay. So this is the result. You can use hairspray if you want. I usually just leave it like this. I don't brush it on the first day. I just run my fingers through my hair like this. And since it's really hydrated from the products that I use, it's really easy to detangle. It's not really tangled right now. It feels really soft. And that's it. That's how I do my curls usually, to avoid using heat on my hair. This loosens up after a few hours. It looks better after a few hours actually than it does right now. This is how it looks in the back. I do not know how it looks in the back, so I'm excited to see on the camera. This is actually a technique that I learned on TikTok. Nowadays I learn everything from TikTok, so that is it. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. It's a little bit different than my usual content, but it was a little bit awkward to film, I'll be honest with you. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up down below and also subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. Yeah, I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having an amazing day and I hope I'll see you in my next video. Bye!